If you have little to no space in your bedroom, you really have no choice but to get creative with how you store your belongings. Thankfully, there are a ton of ways you can make your limited space work for you. We've rounded up the smartest ways to utilize the area you have. 1. Install layered shelving. Layer one wall with shelving, or make one row stretch along the perimeter of the bedroom. You can use it to store everything from books to accessories, blankets, purses, shoes, and more. 2. Use a floating desk. Free up floor space with a floating desk. You can go with a classic wall mount one, or try a window mount desk if you have large windows. 3. Hang pants on S-hooks. Save shelf space by hanging your pants with belt loops on S-hooks. This way, you can easily make them more compact. Bonus: you can see them all much better when you're choosing which pair to wear. 4. Vacuum pack unused clothes. Vacuum pack your big jackets and chunky sweaters during the summer months so that they don't take up as much space. You can vacuum pack them and keep them hung or store them under your bed, in your suitcase, or in a drawer. 5. Hide your shoes. This cabinet is perfect for storing your favorite shoes and clearing up floor space. You can finally kick shoe clutter to the curb. 6. Store shoes vertically. Ladders make for the ultimate high heel organizer. This way, you can see them all at once and hopefully be able to choose which pair you want to wear with your outfit quicker. 7. Ditch your laundry hamper. Replace your laundry hamper with a laundry bag that hangs on the inside or outside of your closet door. It's ideal for clearing up floor space. 8. Make your mirror double as an accessory organizer. This mirror not only acts as a cabinet for all your accessories, but it also hangs right over your door. You can put it on your closet door or use it on your bedroom entrance. 9. Hang shoes on the door. Use the door to your bedroom to store shoes. If you don't have a ton of shoes, the empty slots can store sweaters and other clothes. 10. Place a storage bench near the bed. A storage bench at the end of the bed makes for great seating and storage. You can use it to store blankets, sweaters, books, snacks, you name it. Even the most humble of box rooms have the ability to serve as a comfortable bedroom, and clever use of storage furniture can turn it into a multifunctional space too, incorporating useful study and storage areas. Careful planning and a dash of inspiration are all that's needed to maximize a small bedroom's storage potential.